Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from your Coinmarketcap. It's very simple things to do. First, open a Coinmarketcap app and then log into your account. Then tap on market from here. Then you will see your coins here. Now you have to create a portfolio. For this, just go to portfolio from here. Then select holdings and you will see your overview here. Now tap on new. Then you will see three options. From here you can also connect finance account, or you can connect your wallet from here. Just tap on connect your wallet. Now if you want to connect new wallet, enter a connection name and enter your wallet address and select tap on create connection. Now select after adding this portfolio, select add transaction. Now choose your crypto which you want to add. Now from here enter the amount, then tap on add transaction and it will be added to your transaction list. And here you will see your whole portfolio. Then and that's it. That's how you can transfer money from Coinmarketcap app.